Race for the Summit was inspired by my grandfather, who suffered with Alzheimer's disease for 13 years before passing in 2011. And I remember the day that he passed, my grandmother was wearing a shirt that said, "The end of Alzheimer's starts with me." I felt very convicted in that moment to do something and to make sure that other families didn't have to go through what my family did. The actual idea of the race came about a year later in 2012 as I was walking across campus with a classmate of mine, and we were discussing our experience with Alzheimer's disease as her grandmother was going through the disease at that time. And we were walking through Health Sciences Park when we started formulating this idea of a race and how it would start on campus and end at the park, and we'd have a celebration afterwards. And so that's how Race for the Summit was born. And we went with the name Race for the Summit because we decided to partner with the Pat Summitt Foundation, which is the organization that Coach Pat Summitt of the Lady Vols started after her diagnosis with early Alzheimer's disease. And so we felt that it was a perfect partnership for a couple of reasons. One, I grew up watching the Lady Vols and Coach Pat Summitt really because of my grandfather. He is a huge University of Tennessee fan and was a big admirer of Coach Summitt. And I know that if he were here today, he would want to do what he could to help her organization out. And so for me, it was a way to fulfill that for him. And then second, we are the University of Tennessee Health Science Center, and so it just made sense to partner with Coach Pat Summitt and the University of Tennessee in order to promote her cause and to raise awareness for the disease